students are focused on the clinical impacts of their work right from day one. Hi everyone, my name is Lee Griffiths. I'm the Dean of Mayo Clinic Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences. My research lab does cardiovascular transplant immunology and tissue engineering research.
The Student Research and Symposium is a great opportunity to interact with many people that I don't normally see on a daily basis and get input on my project from them. So interacting with different PIs, different clinicians, even different students who all think about things differently and can collaborate to help give me new ideas about research techniques or ways to translate my project into the clinic.
The main value of joining the PhD program as a practicing physician is because nowadays research is more of a multidisciplinary approach where you have different disciplines. That was one of the main reasons for me to join the program, to try and learn about all these different elements and all these different disciplines so we can at least speak the same language when we're all on the same team, able to communicate with each other and able to plan projects with each other.
My name is Maya Lermont. I'm a PhD student at the Mayo Clinic Graduate School of Biomedical Sciences, and my research is really focused in regenerative therapeutics for diabetic kidney disease. I think the impact that my research will have for diabetic kidney disease patients will be to provide them with a new therapeutic that actually targets their disease instead of managing their symptoms until they eventually need a kidney transplant or have to undergo dialysis, which is really hard on patients.
Big question my research is trying to answer is what type of drugs as well as cell therapies can we utilize to repair the injured spinal cord? Anyone is victim to a spinal cord injury, but no one plans for it, right? So, and this lasts the duration of the patient's lifetime. So ultimately, the impact I hope to have is giving these patients their freedom back, give them their dignity, but more importantly, hope moving forward for an injury that has no treatment.
Because of the primary value of the institution, the needs of the patient come first. All of our students know exactly where their science fits in with that goal and exactly how it's going to help people in the future.